Episode 5 million, voiced by John, because Nana is too busy watching TikTok videos this week.
Wow.
Let's get started. Here are our new JEGS metal seats. Super excited to run these. And we also ordered a bunch of hardware and brackets to hold it all in place. We also are working on this project for a heat shield. We're going to have more videos next week to see if it actually works. We're really liking it so far. And we also purchased a power steering cooling kit because we felt that, while the bumper's off, might as well do this. It's either 25 or 30 bucks off of Amazon, and it came with a nice Continental rubber hose, 3/8. That's where we're going to install it. And this is our second fan that we're going to put in. The first one was installed in April, and we feel like it still needed a little bit more push, so we added that. And we also added a 4-inch duct this week for our intake. Woo!
Wow.